I needed to restock my skincare product, but then I have to make them myself. My body oil is totally finished. My body milk moisturizer is also totally finished. My super hydrating serum is almost finished. My vitamin C serum is all gone. So I definitely have to restock them by formulating them by myself. You think I still buy skincare products? So making my body milk, I make it so rich with azelaic acid, kojic acid palmitate, ferulic acid, tranexamic acid, hyaluronic acid to help me seal up all the moisture and hydration from the rest of the product. This body milk also leaves an instant glow, and trust me, the full recipe is right on my YouTube channel. Next, I'm going to be making my vitamin C serum. Also, the full video of this vitamin C serum is right on my YouTube channel. I made this with 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. It also contains vitamin E, and this is such a powerhouse. The next, I'm going to be making my hydrating serum. This hydrating serum is packed with lots of humectants and hydrating ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, vegetable glycerin, aloe vera gel, panthenol, and even snail slime. I made sure my products were pH balanced, and trust me, I love to use good things on my skin. My super hydrating serum was ready, and then I switched on to make my body oil. So sweet, moisturizing, and leaves an instant beautiful glow. This oil is a combination of exotic beautiful natural oils with herb strands, and I use this to lock up the body milk and other products on my body. And then my kojic acid treatment serum. This is made with pure kojic acid, alpha-butene, licorice, and a whole lot, especially made to target dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and to effortlessly brighten the skin. This will be all for my restocking. I have little toner, so I'm not making a toner. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.